Hello guys, this is Kane again. Today we are going to continue off what we had last time. And yeah, let's get into it. So last episode we built my house, which I think looks pretty good. Oh yeah, I gotta leave that there. Keep on forgetting. I need one more stair, one more. But not really safe out there. If you've seen, it's night time. So yeah, while I'm waiting, I guess I might make some sticks so I can make something. I'll make a stick thing, I'll make a hoe. Once I do that, I'm not gonna need... Oh damn, don't need more. Oh, why don't I make a sword? Won't matter, I'll be fine. Well, come on, I want a seed. Come on. Well, today we will probably do, I don't know, do something random, I guess. I'm gonna put this at the back. Oh, I want it facing that. I'm gonna get up here. But I want it upside down. Pretty good, but I want it upside down. Now this work. Yes, it worked. So yeah, let's continue. Hey, it's morning. You pig must die. Wait, I don't need to kill a pig. What am I doing that for? I don't know. I'm crazy anyway. So if you haven't seen the last episode, I recommend you go have a look at that. Yeah. An apple. Yay. Wait, there's a few. I haven't lost the house. I'll make some sticks. Need a sword, pickaxe, axe, and a chest. I want a chest. Well, wait, I didn't make a chest. I just zoomed over it. There. I need to make a sign too. Oh, that's what I can do. There. 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 want to see how you make a sign. Yeah, I'll get some wood and some sticks. One more piece. Goodbye. Axe. There. Let's go find a tree. There's two of them. I'll cut down both. Now I'm only going to cut down one. Can't be bothered. Pig. Pig. Die, pig. I said die. Thank you. That goes in there. There. And the creepers. There. Ender Creeper's Evil Hut. I like it. So I think there, that looks better. Now I'm gonna end the video here. Now I hope you guys enjoyed this quick episode, and I'll see you all later.